Clashes erupted after people staged a massive protest in Sopot town on Friday against rewarding an army officer who tied a civilian to his jeep as a human shield. Reports said that scores of youth assembled near Markaz Jamia Masjid area of Sopot and raised slogans against security forces. Forces resort to tear gas shelling to disperse the protesters, which resulted in clashes. Protesters pelted stones on forces to show resistance. Reports also said that clashes led to the shutting down of a main market. Reports also said that the clashes led to the shutting down of main market in the town and the traffic movement got affected. Fortunately, the protest call was given by Hurriyat Conference against the commendation of army major who uses a civilian as human shield on April 9 during parliamentary poll.